Hello and welcome. Today in this particular video we are going to discuss syllabus of social science. Okay, syllabus of social science is introduced by Board of Secondary Education Manipur. If you want to download the PDF format, I'll give the link in the description below. You can go to that link and download from the website and look into it. Okay, so as demanded by the student, I'm making this video. Let us look into the syllabus, the new introduced syllabus for 2021 to 2022. Okay, the syllabus for this year. Let us look, okay, what are the portion deleted and what are not. So syllabus of social science class 10 history. From social science, chapter number 1 history, chapter number 1 events and processes, nationalism in Europe, nothing is deleted from this portion. Chapter number 1. Chapter number 2 nationalism in India, nothing is deleted. Chapter number 3 economics and livelihood, nothing is deleted. So all these three portion chapter are going to come as it is. But chapter number 4 and chapter number 5 are deleted completely. Okay, not even a single question is going to ask from there. From chapter number 1 you will get the marks given from chapter number 1 is 8 marks from chapter number 1, and chapter number 2 8 marks, chapter number 3 6 marks, and chapter number 6 Second World War in Manipur, important chapter, and no deletion from this chapter, and the marks given is 5 mark. Okay, so here you can see according to mark given, chapter number 1 and 2 are very important, so you can prepare according to that. And the deleted portion, the chapter deleted, nothing will be asked from that chapter like chapter number 4 and 5. Let us look into geography. So geography, we have chapter number 1 India resources and their development, nothing is deleted from this chapter, and the marks given is 3 marks. Whole this chapter 3 marks questions are going to be asked. Okay, so this is the portion 3 marks. And chapter number 2 forest and wildlife resources, from this chapter is completely deleted. Okay, whole portion is deleted. Chapter number 2 sorry, so chapter number 2 forest and wildlife resources completely deleted. Chapter number 3 also completely deleted. Chapter number 4 5 and 6 mineral resources, energy resources and agriculture, nothing is deleted from this 3 chapter. So we can see chapter number 1 no deletion, 4 5 6 no deletion. Chapter number 2 and 3 are deleted for history, for geography, sorry. Okay, now let us look into chapter number 7. Chapter number 7, one case study. Okay, there is one case study which is deleted from chapter number 7. Chapter number 8 disaster management, whole unit is deleted, and chapter number 9 also transport, communications and trade, completely deleted. So you can see here that chapter number 8 and 9 completely deleted, and chapter number 7 one topic is deleted. Chapter number 10 Manipur resources and development, all this topic, there is no deletion from chapter number 10, and chapter number 11 no deletion. Okay, these are small chapter, only few topics are there, but nothing is deleted from this. So you can see chapter number 1 no deleted, chapter number 2 3 8 9 2 3 8 9 is completely deleted, remaining chapter is not deleted, and chapter number 7 one topic is deleted, that is a case study to be introduced, it is deleted. Okay, now class 10 political science, pol science. Let us look into pol science. Pol science, you have, there are 4 chapters, and out of 4 chapters working of democracy is not deleted. Okay, the first chapter is not deleted, and chapter number 2 power sharing, no deletion from this chapter. Chapter number 3 competitions and contestation in democracy. Okay, this portion, some portion is deleted, that is major national and regional parties in India, this topic is deleted from this chapter. And chapter number 4, that is outcome of democracy, from here the whole unit is deleted. So chapter number 4 completely deleted. Chapter number 3, so only one topic is deleted, that is major national and regional parties in India. And chapter number 2 and 1 nothing is deleted from this. Okay, that's all for political science. Now let us look into economics, class 10 economics. So there are 4 chapters in this event. The story of development, so nothing is deleted from this. Chapter number 2 money and financial system, no deletion from this topic even. And the marks given are chapter number 1 and 2, 9 marks is given here, you can see here. Where is that? Yeah, you can see here. And chapter number 3 sectoral composition of the economy, the whole unit is deleted. So chapter number 3 you don't need to study anymore. And chapter number 4, there is some topic which is deleted from the chapter called globalization. Globalization deleted textile industry in India up to table 3 and protections of consumer in the era of globalization. This portion is deleted. Okay, now that's all. Okay, these are the deleted portion. This is for economics, for pole science, we have done for geography, and we have done for history. That's all. If you have any doubt, please write down in the comment below. I will be happy to share with you and solve your problem. Thank you so much. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you so much.